So the three biggest mistakes to avoid when you are initiating a digital transformation project. First, to want to go too fast. We often see clients come into our office and discuss with us, and they compare themselves to those big platforms out there or some successful marketing, online marketing strategy, and they want to reproduce the same results with a time frame of 1.5 months. Most of the time, if you would ask those people who had the success, how long did they spend on the project before rolling out, they will say, okay, I gathered my team a year in advance or 6 months in advance to do that. So make sure to plan enough time ahead and don't try to go too fast. It would just go wrong. Second biggest mistake is thinking that you don't have to be knowledgeable of your digital strategy. So you just have the idea and the programmer or the developers will make it for you. This is not how it works. You got to stay curious. You got to make sure that the counselor you're going to deal with at this agency is giving you all the tools and information you need in order to accomplish and be able to manage and direct and tell people about your digital strategy, not only from a front-end perspective, but from the bottom up, and be able to discuss of every aspects of it with any people interacting with your strategy. The third most common mistakes we see is not knowing who's going to use the platform. So sometimes an idea can be a good idea. It can have potential to hit the target, even if it's not a project as a digital product or digital service, but it's more like an automation within your business. You need to gather the information from the people who's going to be dealing with the accounting people, the HR people, all those people who's going to interact with your solutions. They are the one who's giving you the triggers of what needs to be done in that. As well as if it is a digital product or the digital service, you put yourself in the shoes of the person who's going to use the platform and not just base your opinion on your own opinion. The best projects are being rolled out in phases, and we test the market quickly, and we gather information from that test market to roll out the next phase. That's how it goes. So those are the three things to avoid in order to have a successful digital transformation.